Now, let's dive deeper into how to write this research proposal. To start writing your research proposal, you can begin by identifying the most pressing question you face in your industry or daily work. Once you define this question, you need to search for academic references that address it. You can do this by typing the question or keywords into Google Scholar or similar search engines. You can also use AI tools to help identify key scholars and their work in your area of interest. And sometimes there is no existing research directly answer your research question, which is a good sign. It means that there is a gap that your DBA research can fill. And in this case, you can search different parts of your question separately. For example, if you want to study storytelling in luxury sales in Gulf countries, first search for storytelling in luxury industry in general, and then search for Gulf country market characteristics or consumer characteristics, and then combine results from these searches using logical inferences. After identifying and reading key references, you need to synthesize what you have learned into a series of arguments. You need to write about 500 words, just 500, showing that you understand these readings and how these researchers are approaching the questions that you ask. You can copy the citation format from these references from Google Scholar or any other academic search engine that you use. And the typical format used are APA or Harvard. Finally, when you write about your personal motivations, think about what a doctoral education and the rigorous research training you'll receive through this DBA mean for your personal identity and career trajectory. What inspired you to pursue this intellectual endeavor, and why now? What we want to know, objectives and logical discussions in earlier sections, here we want to see who you are as a person and learn about your background and aspirations.